SEO. What is it? And why is it important? Let's start with the what. SEO. It's an acronym meaning search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, or SEO. I wouldn't call it a thing. It's more of a milestone. A higher page ranking from white hat SEO should mean you're producing quality and easy to digest content. It means without paying for ad space, you organically rank in the search results by using SEO. Look at SEO as a two-headed monster. Sure, on-page and off-page SEO is a struggle in itself, but I don't mean that monster. No. This monster is more like hardware software, because on one hand, it's all about building websites, creating quality content, building links, and let's not forget the on-page and off-page struggles. But on the other hand, and just as important, SEO is about people. That's right. People. Understanding the words and phrases used when people are seeking answers. Grasping the mindset of your target audience and the sort of content they wish to consume. Having a solution. Being an authority on the subject or question being asked. When your brand is known and trusted, sponsored through quality backlinks, relevant content, and other SEO tasks, you will rank well in search results. It was once said, it is not the job of search engine optimization to make a pig fly. It is the job of the SEO to genetically re-engineer the website so that it becomes an eagle. Bruce Clay. SEO, search engine optimization.